Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. OD. Today we are making green sauce with Toolo beef. That is the trick in it. Come with me and let's make this flavorful, delicious sauce. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Come. For our ingredients, guys, we'll be needing our spring onions, green onions. I'm using also the seed, some ginger, garlic, mixed spices, green pepper, Toolo beef, salted beef, that is Toolo beef. I'm using coconut oil for this recipe, onions, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious, flavorful Toolo beef green sauce. Guys, we'll start by adding all the ingredients into the blender because this sauce is just under 30 minutes. It doesn't take much time. I'll go ahead and add the pepper to the blender. We'll go in with our garlic. We'll go in with the ginger. We are going to blend all together. Our green pepper, I really love to have the seed of my green pepper in my sauce because it brings some flavors I really love. And in with my spring onions, the ojia, that is the Toolo beef or the salted beef, and we'll go in with our mixed spice, any spice of your choice, and then our oil. We'll go ahead and cover it up and blend. It's ready, guys. Enko just sokrano. The flavors here is awesome. And this sauce on your fried rice or fried yam is heavily. In the pan, I added few oil in the pan. So I'll go ahead and add my pepper, green pepper mixture. Yes. And we are going to cook this on a medium heat. We have to cook this on a medium heat to bring the flavors from the Toolo beef and the spices and the green pepper in this sauce. Guys, our sauce is doing perfect. You can see how it's doing. It's really doing very, very good. I'll go ahead and taste for salt. Now we all know that salted beef has a lot of salt in it, so I'm not going to add any salt at the moment. I'm going to wait for the sauce to cook a little bit and the water will reduce a little. Then after that we'll taste for salt and add salt if it's necessary. Guys, our sauce is doing really perfect. You can see that there is oil floating on top. This means that we are almost there. This sauce is so delicious and very flavorful. I'm going to taste for salt and then we'll go ahead and add some salt. Yes, there's no salt, so we have to add salt, guys. Let's go ahead and season our sauce with some salt. This amount is okay. Salt is always to your taste, guys. The sauce looks so delicious, guys. But if you're a vegetarian and you're looking for a green sauce, you can check on my channel. I also have a video with the green sauce without Toolo beef. So check out that one if you're a vegetarian. Check that video. But if you're not a vegetarian and you're meat lover and you want all the flavors in your sauce, this sauce is for you because it's so flavorful and it's so tasty. It goes really well with your rice, jollof, fried yam, or anything, guys. Guys, our delicious, flavorful, Toolo beef green sauce is ready. This is given. This looks so delicious. I'll go ahead and put on the fire. But for you to know that your sauce is ready, when you see that there is oil sitting on top and there are no foaming on top, it means that it's ready. So you only have to let it cool down, and then you can just bottle it and keep it in your fridge. And you can also use this sauce to season your fish and your meat, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy sauce. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Adios. Toolo.